Dalhousie Tigers head coach Rick Scott joining me here as the team prepares for the upcoming Nationals in Edmonton, Alberta. Rick, you know your first round opponent. You do know that now, and it will be Montreal. Tell me about the matchup, that first round.
Montreal is a team we played in September earlier on and had a really close match with. We won in 5, very tight. So it'll be a really tight battle. They won the Quebec Conference yesterday, so they had a really battle out last weekend, beating McGill in 3, 2-1. So, yeah, they're a good team. We've played them at Nationals a lot the last couple of years, so we're familiar with them. But we're looking forward to the test for sure.
You've had a little extra time to prepare. As you mentioned, they played on the weekend. Is that an advantage?
I'll tell you, Saturday. I mean, it's hard to say. I think it's good for us because we're a little bit rested, and it's a long season. So, but we got to go out and play well and execute. So, I mean, I've seen it work both ways with teams had a week extra rest. But if I had the chance, I'll take the rest. We got to have a good practice tonight and have a good week of prep, and then we'll be ready to go Friday. But I think the extra week gives them a chance to kind of nurse some injuries, and at this time of year, that's always a positive.
I think it's definitely a little comforting as we know their team a little bit. We played them earlier this season. They are a great team, so it is going to be a really hard game, but I'm excited for it.
For the team to have success up there, you've been there before. The best the team has performed under Coach Rick Scott is a 4th place finish. What will it take? What will it take for the team to perhaps better that position and perhaps come home with a medal?
I think we need to come in with confidence, know that we're a great team, but it's also going to be a very hard matchup. And I think if we play our game, we could be successful this year.
I think we're the closest team that we've been throughout my 4 years. I feel like everyone's super close friends. We get along on the court. We'll hold each other accountable. And so I think that's definitely a big factor of why we've been successful this year.
The strength of the Tiger, the strength of this team, what is it? Now that, again, you've reached another Nationals, but what do you think the strength is?
I'd say we're a very strong serving team. We definitely cause some issues with other teams when them out of system and get a lot of service aces. Not my department, but my other teammates do well at that.
This is probably your final year here at Dal. What would it mean? I mean, this is it. The career will come to a close. Just what do you want to accomplish? What's your hopes here going forward?
I mean, I would love to win that first game at Nationals. That'd be amazing, and be able to compete in the semifinals. My 4 years, we haven't done that, so that would definitely be an amazing accomplishment to finish out my year. I think we have to pass well, serve well, and play some good defense. The other teams are definitely bigger than we're used to and hit much harder, so we got to really bear down, dig some balls, and stay together as a team, which is definitely a strength of ours. So I'm looking forward to it.
What's the goal? What's the goal heading off to Edmonton?
Yeah, it's to win a national championship. You know, we've been there a lot of this is our 7th time, so in 7 years. So we're going there to win that first game. You got to win your first game to win a national championship, and then it's one game at a time. But we've seen the teams all year. We've followed them, and there's 8 really good teams there. We've played Ryerson and we've played Montreal that are there, and we know we can compete with all of them. So we're definitely confident. We're definitely respectful of the other teams, but we're going there with a purpose, and that's to win Friday and set ourselves to win on Saturday and play for a national championship.